Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Breville Barista Espresso machine. After replacing the grinder, actually it's like replacing the parts of the grinder, which is a little bit like complicated. The original grinder, like I couldn't get it. I get a same one, but it's different. The base is different, so it's not fit on that one. So I had to replace the parts of the new grinder, and this is the old one, and even all of these parts. And this was like the main cracked one. I don't know if you can show it here. That is a pure teeth, but most of these parts like. So I need to replace the whole thing. Even this comes from the old one. Replace everything and put it on the old base because it's fit perfect here. And I did something on this grinder to prevent what happened to happen, like make it as much as possible, like is prevent that to happen again. Because what happened is, I believe they put it in a courses setting and they turn it on for like long time without beans. Otherwise, that's not gonna happen. So let's go ahead and do espresso shot. Actually, I do wanna change the setting like the customer put it. I just like make it maximum 11, and it's on the finest course. Let's go ahead and test it. And this one comes with the regular basket, but it's way better if it's on a pressurized basket. The basket comes like with double base. So let's go ahead and do it. So as I told you, I do want to change the setting. They maybe like it like this way, but I'm gonna stop it here. So it's really nice and with creamer. For me, if I want to calibrate it, I'm gonna make it way less than this much of water. So this is basically what I work on. It was the grinder itself. So this is how is it. No need for finer than this. And the coarser, I make it like maximum to the 11. It's not going more. So hopefully it's not gonna happen. That's it. Thank you for watching.